Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka Sorkar Jela hagasni thoding jong ka arpu khandai trai gubernai Risau arajar arpuwe lengba ka tanat penroiser kala shimti ya ka sweepers lane ka badan ha temyo maulong hadien baladep siu ya ka baiwai shaka office jong usem ka hima melim ka ba arklor tengka ya kani la pentip da usumbut menteri rangba jong ka Jela uba preston tensong habaya kren bat kilat patai kubor bat hagabaya daipat bat ka jingdon jong ka jaka mani blai jong ki jaip nriu sik lane ka gurdwara uba preston ula kentaj ban kren AA bat ong ba unsa pentip kam hadin
the Urban Affairs Department. But certainly beautification of that area is going to happen. Beautification has to happen. So I don't really know because now the Urban Affairs Department will work out whether they'll convert it as the shopping mall or whatever. But beautification, because that also part of beautification, whether mall or whether parking lot or whatever. So certainly Urban Affairs Department are explaining about this issue the moment they take possession of the land. No, I will not tell you anything about the report. But you need to understand one thing. Since the possession of the land is being taken over, so you understand what next to be done. So leave aside the ruling of the court, the ruling of the judiciary, because anybody can challenge it in the courts. And we are there also to defend it in court. So why should I brief detail you everything about this? So let the concerned party go to the court, and then we are also, defending ourselves in the court. Make sure that there is no law and order problem in this. We will assure you that no law and order problem will happen. You have every right to come. The delegation, any delegation, we welcome them. Government will explain to them the actualities, and then I'm sure they will also understand what the stand of the government is. Legally has to be done. So that's what I'm telling you from the government. See, I cannot say anything because all the details has to be done by the concerned department. Means once possession is taken, then we have already instructed Urban Affairs Department to do the needful. How to proceed further, how to go forward, we have already told them how to go about it. So, as I said to you, let us see, because I really don't know right now. You better go and find out from Commissioner Secretary whether taking possession has happened today, or if not today, maybe next week, Monday or Tuesday. I don't know exactly, but we have already told them, since the premium has been cleared to the same only, it's only the question of taking over possession of the land.